How to fix couldn't load high resolution images on Messenger. So let's say you're opening a message and you get this error. So this is most likely because your signal or your connection is very low. So there's a lot you could try to either fix your connection. You could go ahead and exit Messenger, turn off either your Wi-Fi or data, and wait maybe a bit for like 5 to 10 seconds to basically restart your connection. So then you can turn back your Wi-Fi on and go back to Messenger. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and try switching connections. So if you're in Wi-Fi, go ahead and turn your mobile data on, as your signal there might be a bit better and will give you a better connection. And same likewise from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Now, if you've found yourself with a better connection, or let's say you have 5 bars now, or clearly your connection isn't a problem as you check on multiple sources that maybe you want to open a YouTube video and it still works and it loads very well, then you're going to have to go to your Play Store, search for Messenger, and here you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your app. Doing this will reset your cache and your data, so you're gonna have to log in back again. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and try loading the picture again. So hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.